Online lesson, School Gymnasium Gagarin, 5th grade, teacher Samieva Aisana. Hello dear students, how are you today? How is your mood? I hope you are well. Today our theme is public holidays in Kyrgyzstan. Let's start our lesson. Holidays in Kyrgyzstan. I think you know many kinds of holidays. There are New Year, Christmas Day, Defense of the Fatherland Day, International Women's Day, Nowruz, People's April Revolution, Labor's Day, Constitution Day, Victory Day, Orozo Eid, Qurban Eid, Independence Day, and also days of history and memory of ancestors. Let's work with new words. Get together, get together. Set off, set off. Stay up, stay up. Pay off, pay off. Makeup, makeup. Throw away, throw away. Joins in, joins in. Put on, put on. Okay, now let's work with text. New Year's Day is on January 1. It's a family holiday. For children, it means a lot of gifts and school holidays. Just before the New Year, people clean their houses, buy a New Year tree, and decorate it with toys. They cook national dishes such as mante, plov, beshbarmak, prepare at least 3-4 different salads, and buy a lot of oranges. On the night of December 31, families get together and celebrate until the clock strikes midnight. After that, people set off fireworks, stay up all night and watch TV. March 21st is Nowruz. It marks the start of the Persian New Year. But the Muslim countries of Central Asia also celebrate it. Kyrgyz people clean their houses and burn a branch of archa to bring good luck. Before the holiday, they try to pay off their debts, make up with people they argued, with the throwaway things they don't need. On the day of Nowruz, people try to put on new clothes. Families and close friends get together and eat traditional food like sumuluk, which is only cooked once every year by mixing water with wheat seeds, nuts, rice, flour, and 7 small stones. After the meal, people go to special place where national games, wrestling competitions, and performances take place. Everybody joins in the celebration. Orozai takes place on a different days each year. It lasts for 3 days and it ends the holy month of Ramadan or Ramadan, during which Muslims can't eat or drink during the day, but they can eat and drink at night. On Orozai, people usually get up very early. They go to mosques or they pray together in the big squares of cities. After that, families get together, invite their neighbors and friends, and have a huge feast of national dishes. Dear students, now I will teach you how to make a cards for present. For this we need some materials: papers, scissors, glue and pencil. Let's start. Well done, dears! Your homework: write a short topic about holidays in Kyrgyzstan. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.